Good morning, everybody. I am at Pine Grove Furnace. Just got dropped off by Mike. I am looking over my mileage chart and also have a sandwich from Cafe 101, which is down in Boiling Springs. Today we'll be working on about 20 miles from here to Boiling Springs. And had a great day yesterday, but it looks like it's going to be just a nice warm day. Supposed to reach into the 70s. How about that? That is so fun. And I am slack tracking today just to help my hips and my shoulders. The first day of that run from Caledonia, that really put a hurting on me. So. But in any event, all is good. It's about 40 degrees right now. It's really not too chilly, and still see my breath. But really, it's warming up quick. Got a great sun coming behind me, and this is day 3 on the Appalachian Trail. This is Rick Osborne Jr. As you know, with Geology Rocks, Stillwater hiker, aka rock and roll. And I'm just looking forward to a great day. Gonna have some breakfast, get my miles figured out, and then off on the trail we go. I'll talk to you later. Pine Grove Furnace. Just a little area there, and now just got done with breakfast. They have a real nice, clean bathroom. Filled up my water. Heard some turkeys gobbling a little bit ago. And now we are back on trail. Here we go. All right, here's my first blue blaze off of the AT since returning, and it's called Pole Steeple. So it's not that far down, but I guess it's a good view, so I'm gonna go check it out. All right, made it up to Pole Steeple. And for those that are interested, Pole Steeple is just a beautiful, beautiful outcrop of quartzite, which is a metamorphic quartz sandstone, or a quartz sandstone that's been metamorphosed into a quartzite. You can see how nice and white it is. So that's what Pole Steeple is. Nice outcrop of quartzite. So this is a short 0.75 blue blaze off of the AT to come check this out. So you might ask, what's a blue blaze? Well, blue blaze, every once in a while you'll have one, and it's basically a little offshoot that you have to do in order to see some cool things like this awesome view. And so they're worth it, extra miles, but you know, there's many that you pass by, but there are many that you should just take the time and check it out, because it is, You know, I always say, when will I be back here? Never know. But if you have the time and you have the energy to do it, I would recommend doing it. So this is the first blue blaze that I've been able to encounter being back on the AT. Today's day 3 and many more to come. Glad I did it. All right, I'm getting back to the trail. All right, just got done with some ice cream at the Green Mountain General Store. Oh, was it good? It was almost too much, but I got most of it down. I like ice cream, as we all know. So, got 9 miles done, and I am getting ready to get back. I got about 10 left. And I'll be at Boiling Springs. So it is just awesome out. I had to take out all of my clothes that I had on. Got my puffy in there, got my 2 shirts. I don't have shorts, so I still got my long pants on, but took my long underwear off. It is awesome out. So gonna get a suntan on my bald head. Woo, worried about that. All right, we gotta get off the road here and get back on the trail. Over and out. All right, we are on top of Rocky Ridge, as you can see here. This is an outcrop in Pennsylvania. And again, it's more of that metamorphosed quartzite. And you can see the beds are actually tilted. So they're at about a 45-degree angle. So the tops of this, all the way from Pine Grove Furnace down to Boiling Springs, is all metamorphosed. Again, Rocky Ridge. And this is a quartzite, is the metamorphic rock on top. So just another little geology tidbit with the geology rocks. I'm going to keep on hiking to Boiling Springs. Beautiful, beautiful afternoon. About 3 o'clock. I got about 5 miles still left. So we're going to keep on cruising. Look at that quartzite. Thanks for watching. All right. Well, it is getting late. Shadows are coming upon us. And I am out of the woods going into Boiling Springs. Big long day today. 3rd day on the trail since I started back. And it's about 5:40. The sun's, you can see it right there, a couple more hours, but gonna have a solid 20-mile day today. And basically out of water. So I'll make sure drink plenty of water tonight. Get hydrated. But my do-rag is doing. I didn't want my head to get fried, so I put that do-rag on. And just a great night. So I'm gonna get to the truck, get some dinner, and then go over to the Scott farm, and basically going to be leaving my truck there now. I feel good about that. And then heading towards Duncannon. So just with the food and pack on my back. So we'll see how many miles we're going to do tomorrow. I got to look at everything, and I will be back a little bit later after I get back into town. Talk to you later. Taco Tuesday at El Rodeo. Waiting for my food, but nice to be inside. All right, so we made it. We're in my little truck, sleeping, and gonna head out to Duncannon tomorrow. But had a great day, great last 3 days. Ended up covering about 50 miles and feeling good. A little sore, but that's expected. Just glad to be back on the trail, and thanks for watching. Have a good night.